activities we can do at home. So let's do one by one. So let's start with our first activity, which shows physical and chemical reaction. For this activity, we will use thermocol cup and acetone. Now, I take acetone and put in a bowl. Now, we will put 1 cup. Ooh! Where did it go? Is it really magic? Let's put another one. Oh, this also got disappeared. How it happened? Is it really magic? Now, let's put all together. Whoa! Where did it go everything? Everything got disappeared. How does that even happen? Okay, it is not magic, but it is a simple reaction. Thermocol is made from styrofoam, and styrofoam gets dissolved in acetone, similar as sugar gets dissolved in water. It is physical reaction rather than chemical reaction. It is made from foam and air. If we take this thermocol cup and put inside the acetone, the air leaves the foam, and that is how it loses the structure and it gets dissolved. So let's start with second activity about plastic polymers. As you can see, I have one bag and I have filled water. Now slowly I'll poke pencils inside the bag. Still no leakage. Let's do one more. Oh, still not leakage. Let's do one more. Oh, still no leakage. Now I will take out one pencil. How this happened? It happened because the bag is made up of polymers. If we make holes, the molecules seal around the pencils within seconds, and that is how it prevents heat from leaking water. So let's move on to third activity, which is about index of refraction. I have took 2 beakers. In one beaker I have filled water and second beaker I have filled oil. Now I'll take the glass pipette and put inside water. You can see clearly the glass pipette inside water. Now the same pipette I will put inside oil. So now the glass pipette is getting disappeared. I'll put some oil on top of it. So it's now totally disappeared. So now the glass pipette is totally disappeared in oil. Why does it not show in oil? The oil and the glass has same index of refraction. That means light does not change the speed or direction when it passes through oil. Since it does not bend the light, we cannot see the glass pipette. So let's move ahead on our fourth activity, which is about liquid density. I remember we have already done the video which is about liquid density. Also like that, this is also about liquid density. All we have used is oil, food coloring and water. So we will put food coloring inside the oil. And now we'll mix it all. And now I will put it inside the glass of bowl. Now you can see a sprinkles. You can see this beautiful rainbow sprinkles. This happened because oil is lighter than water. When we put oil inside, the sprinkles came from. See, beautiful sprinkles. As we saw some rainbow sprinkles coming from oil to water because oil is lighter than water. As we have put food coloring inside oil, that's why it looks like rainbow sprinkles. Hope you like my all activities. Kindly like, share. Don't forget to click on subscribe button. Bye.